Hi and welcome back to the series of Learning Adobe Illustrator. I'm Yuti. In this video, we'll explore the gradient tools. I'm taking a shape. Let's say we'll take ellipse. Just click and drag. You can see it is changing into an oval. If you want precise to be the circle, you can just simply press Command or Control in the keyboard and you can drag. It will create the circle, the exact circle. I'll just move around. Now we will add some color. The first option is the solid color. The second option you can see is a gradient tool. This is the default gradient which a window panel looks like a gray area. In this, you can just simply click on the white button and just double click and use any color which is presets are available. You can do it by using CMYK method, or if you have any color code, you can drag the code over here, or simply you can paste the code over here. You can pick any color.
The first one is a linear gradient. First, let's say pick some color using the color picker tool. I'll select different colors for both the sides. As you can just double click and select any color you want. Uh, After selecting, now you can see this middle button, right? This helps you to expand or adjust the gradient color. You can move it from here or you can move it from here also. Both work as the same. If you want to adjust the direction, just click and drag the gradient uh, like vertically, diagonally, or at any angle you want. The next is radial gradient. It blends the color in a circular pattern. If you want, you can reverse the colors also. You want to resize it, you can just click and drag the edges to change the radius, just like I'm changing the radius right now. You can also move the gradient anywhere inside the shape. That is all about the radial gradient. The last one is a freeform gradient tool. This is a super flexible because you can literally adjust any color you want. You can click anywhere inside the shape and you can add custom colors. You can add as many points as you like and you can adjust them according. If you want to delete some color, you can just press select that color, and here it is a delete option. You can just simply delete it. You can also change the opacity and the spread, the area of the color. These are the option, and even you can drag and just select the spread. And that's it. Now you know how to use all the three gradient types of Illustrator. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.